Come with me to take my 8-month-old to the chiropractor. We took a visit to Adapt Chiropractic, and y'all, literally the best experience ever. They started our appointment by giving us a tour, just showing us around. I love that they had a nursing room for moms. Y'all, look how cute this prayer box is. If you need a prayer, they got you. And bonus points for the playroom for the kids. Dr. Nikolai was super knowledgeable and asked all the right questions to make us feel really comfortable and at ease. After hearing my birth story and addressing all of our concerns, it was time for Saint to get adjusted. Y'all, I was so nervous, but he did so good. Dr. Nikolai was so gentle. He definitely knows what he's doing. As you can see, Saint is literally fine. Like, everything went so good, and I'm so happy, and we can't wait to go back.